In 2025, Christina Marie Chapman, a woman living in Arizona, pleaded guilty to assisting the country of North Korea in probably one of the largest social engineering scams so far. Again, 300 organizations infiltrated, $17 million of funding that was generated, and over 68 U.S. identities that were stolen and used. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the North Korean fake employee scam that's been going on, where North Koreans will apply for remote positions, and once they gain those positions, they will take their paychecks and basically fund the North Korean government. When I left the FBI 4 years ago, 40% of the GNP for North Korea was generated by internet scams, whether it be BEC or other frauds that were going on. When they started into the program of having remote workers working for US companies, it really increased that amount. As you can see, one woman assisted them at by running a laptop farm. The circular picture there on the right side of your screen, you can tell that these are all the laptops. Her job in the morning would be to fire up all of those laptops for the US working hours, different times of the day for Eastern, Central, and Pacific time. And then from then, the North Korean operators or employees would remote in and begin their workday.
I think, and Brett, if I could add, we're going to talk a little bit later on about how this type of behavior has certainly AI has made it easier to be able to impersonate these types of things, but we'll also talk a little bit later on about how we're able to try to detect this type of behavior and defend against it.